Welcome to Noah's Frying Pan. Today we're going to be making coconut cream cupcakes with my friend Tim's Double Chin, special guest. We tried to make Tongulu a few months ago. Did not go well.
Well, it ended up all over the kitchen.
Ended up all the kitchen. Almost turned into like this rice crystallized stuff.
Yeah.
So roll some of those clips. Tim?
What?
Tim?
Oh my goodness!
Tim?
What
It
happened?
looks like rice.
Why does it smell so burnt?
The sugar used to be white. Brown now. I know. It's not Tongulu.
Tell me what this stuff is.
It's rough sugar.
Let's get cooking. Okay, so to start, we are going to put 6 ounces of cream cheese, 1/3 a cup of sugar, and a fourth a teaspoon of coconut extract in this bowl, and we're gonna cream that together. So Tim decided to put the package of cream cheese in the mixer
That is not what happened.
with
Not what happened.
the package still on, and brutalized the whisk attachment and destroyed the package.
He
so-
threw the package in there. I just happened to be near the on button.
I think you threw the package in there.
That's not what happened.
Here, you get that open. Okay, and I'll put our coconut extract into our mixer. Extract with some 1/3 a cup of sugar. Get in there. Get in there. Okay.
Alrighty then.
Enjoy. Oh, and we'll mix this together. We'll scrape it down to make sure it all stays mixed right. And there we go. And you want it mixed well together like this. And we will put this into a separate bowl, and I'll go to the next step. Okay, now that our bowl is cleaned out, we are going to add 6 tablespoons of butter into our bowl, which we are going to cream, and it is softened butter. And then after we cream that all up, we are going to slowly add 1 cup of sugar into our bowl.
We're not gonna add sugar before we cream the butter yet.
That totally didn't happen.
Never happens.
Never happened. Yeah, you found that out.
How much sugar are we gonna put?
I'm gonna add 1 cup of sugar slowly while you make it.
It's starting to look a lot like the other batch of butter sugar that we did not make.
Yeah, we should definitely not make butter sugar. Never did that. Can't even imagine how that would have gone. Mixing the sugar and the butter at the same time.
That's such a bad idea.
Yeah, like, who was thinking
Only
about
like
that?
an inexperienced baker would do that.
Okay. So
But it's like I sort of
looks about right. Sure. Let's show it to him. And this is what you want your butter or sugar mixture to look like. And we will show you the next step. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we are going to add 2 eggs one by one while we're mixing. We're just going to turn back on the mixer and add our eggs. Don't worry about it. We'll be fine. We get shells in there. Protein.
Oh really? No.
Don't drop it. Okay, and now we will add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract into our bowl. Let that mix together. Mixture should look like at this point. And I will show you the next step. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to put 2 cups of flour into a large bowl with half a teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda. And we'll mix that together. And now I will show you the next step. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to slowly add our dry mix with our milk into our buttercream mixture. So just add a tiny bit of milk, and we're going to have this on low while we slowly add between the two.
Yeah, we can just wipe that off. Wipe that off.
Okay. Break down our side. There you go. And this is what your batter mixture should look like. And I'll show you the next step. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take about 2 tablespoons of batter and put them into our cupcake sheets with liners in it. And then we're going to take a little less than a tablespoon of cream cheese and dump it in the middle of our cupcake. And then he's going to put the second tablespoon on top of that one. And we'll repeat that for 18 cupcakes, and then I will show you the next step. Okay, now we are going to bake our cupcakes in our preheat oven at 350 degrees for 10 minutes. So, now while our cupcakes are baking in the oven, we are going to put 12 ounces of cream cheese into our mixer to start making our frosting.
Note about the cream cheese, it was pre-beaten.
Yeah.
Although I misunderstood what beating cream cheese meant.
So he kind of beat the cream cheese.
The instructions aren't clear.
Guys, we're just gonna beat this together. And then we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of water and about 6 tablespoons of butter.
Not about that, 6 tablespoons of butter.
And then we'll let that mix together. Okay.
Boo.
So now that we got that mix, we're gonna slowly add powdered sugar. Oh! Slowly add our powdered sugar.
How slowly?
Just slowly. I was waiting for the whole thing just to fall out.
That was stupid.
Okay.
You okay?
What did you say?
We'll keep eating, yeah?
Yeah, I think I'll look back at that later.
Alright, keep her.
Turn up the volume and zoom in on her face for that. Doing exactly what you said.
Alright, keep her.
Okay.
Stop it. Get some help.
And we'll show you the next step. So now we're gonna be decorating our cupcakes. So we have our cupcake, and we're just going to get started on our decoration. And then we're gonna get some coconut flakes. Sprinkle them on there. Just like that. And that's how you make coconut cream cupcakes. So let's give it a taste test. Too bad you can't have any because you're gluten free. Okay.
How's it fresh out of the oven, huh? We were
Delicious.
supposed to let those cool for 10 minutes. We just pulled those out.
We'll scrape this. Really a pretty yellow color.
You're a pretty yellow color.
No, you.
Aw. Well, look at it. Oh my goodness, your mom must love you very much to have you as her child.
Together. Gotta sound like a toad.
Peanut butter in the jelly.